Hello, friends. Welcome to Basic English Grammar Day 2. Yes, dear friends, as we understood, for spoken English, you need sentences, and to form the sentences, we need meaningful words. So, we are in the process of learning words. Yesterday, in day 1, we have seen few words. They are called demonstrative words, and today we are going to learn few verbs. All right, let us start. Basic English Grammar Day 2 in this basic English words. Today we are understanding about am, is, are, was, were, will be, shall be. All right, now first let us understand that these are all verbs. Okay, and what is verb? We are going to learn in future classes. Now, how to pronounce these verbs? First of all, am. Am in UK, that is in British English, we say just am. Whereas in US, that is American English, we drag it like am. M. M will be clearly pronounced there. Am. Alright. Here only am, and in American English we pronounce it as am. And how to structure the sentence here? I am a teacher. Here I am a teacher. A denotes single, one. So we need to understand that we are using am for single, that is for one, as well as am always comes with I. For I, we use am. Am means single, for singular person, that is one person, we use I am. Okay, and for to denoting single, this is A. A means one. I am a teacher. You can always tell your name also, like I am Rennie. So for name, you no need to say any A or A. This is called A or A. That denotes single. Whereas for name, we no need to use this A or A. I am Rennie. Here also I is there. For I, we are using am, and always I am comes with I. All right. Then you should understand that am and is are for singular. Singular means one person or one thing. Here you could see this is, is, and you should not tell each. J, you should not pronounce as j, you should pronounce as s, is, right? Is, not each, is. Then let us see the sentence. She is a student, or he is a student. All right. What we understood here, for she and he, we can use is. A is for single, student. He is a student or she is a student. So we understood that we can use this is for he and she. But we cannot use it for you. For you, we are not using. Though it is singular, single, we cannot use is for you. Only for he and she we can use is. Alright. Then coming to are is already always we use it for plural. Plural in the sense two and more, not for singular. Are we use it always for plural. Plural means two and more than two people or things. Alright. Now, how to pronounce this? In British English, it comes as a. Here we will not hear r. The pronunciation will be only a. That is British English. Whereas for American English, there we can clearly hear r. Alright. So British English only a, and for American English we pronounce it as r. R is clearly heard. Right? So how to make the sentence using are? They are poor. They are poor. So here they means many. Two or more than two. They are they. So for plural we are using are. Okay. And here one exception is there for are. That is, even though you is for single person or for singular we use you, in that case also we use are. For you, either it may be singular or it may be plural. For both the cases we can use are. You are. Either it is a single person or you are. It is a plural, many people. They are poor. Here this is they is plural. So we have used are, and even you can use my parents are there. My parents are there. So this is the plural. So we are using are. Even for you can use you are a good boy. So that's for single. And you are happy children, or you are beautiful children. For many, we can use children is many, child is one, so children means many. So we can use you for many as well as you can use are, you are. Alright, for singular, plural, never mind, in both the cases for you we are using are. That is a exceptional case. Next, coming to was and were. Alright, here am, is and are used in present tense. Remember that this is for present tense. Only in present tense. All this is am, is, are, all are for present tense. Alright. Now coming to was and were. So how to pronounce this? Were. Only were. That is for British English, and for American English, the was is clearly heard. Alright. And how to use that? You can use it for I, she, he, it. Right? Except you. This was we are not using for you. Apart from you, all other like I was terrible, or I was there, she was there, he was there, it was there. But we are not telling you was was is wrong because we use were. That is next one, were for you. Alright. Here, how to use were? Some people tell this one as where. Where. W-E-R-E. We tell where, that is wrong pronunciation. If you tell where, that is wrong pronunciation. What you need to tell? You need to tell were. Were. Alright. And how to pronounce this? For British English, we use that only were. Only were. Here R is not pronounced. Were. Only were. And for American English, we say were. It's exactly, we can hear the r, were. Alright. So you can use this for you, they, and for we. You were happy. They were happy. We were happy. Alright. For all, including you, we can use were. Here, we are not using I. For I, we are using only this here. I, she, he, it. We are using was. You, the, they, we are using were. Right? Now coming to here, was and were are used only for the past tense. And here was is for singular, were is for plural. This is for plural. Here am is for singular, am is for singular, are for plural, was for singular, were for plural. Alright. Then coming to will be and shall be. This is used for future tense. And we can use will be for you, he, she, it, they. We can use will be. You will be there. An exception that for I and we use shall be. I shall be there. We shall be there. Whereas in modern English, nowadays in modern English, we can use will be for all, including I, we, you, he, she, it, they. For everyone, we can use will be, right? I will be there, we will be there, you will be there, she will be there. That means when you go there, he will be there. He will be available, right? So I shall be there, we shall be there. We can use it. Whereas for you, he, she, it, they, we need to use only will be. Now in modern English, we can use will be for I, we also. And dear friends, you should remember that here am, is, and was, these are singular, and are and were. Only are and were, these two are plural. We use these two plural. These are and were we use for plural, and am, is, and was we use for singular. Dear friends, what you should do, watch this video repeatedly. If you have any confusion, you can comment me and let me know. As well as if you repeat and see the video, you will understand better. Today's concept is very simple. We have learnt about the basic English words, that is verbs, and They are am, is and are. Am is used for I, is used for he, she and even it, he, she and it, and are is used for plural, they, that is they are. Alright, even you can use it for you are, right? So that is for plural, and also singular we use you. Alright, as well as we have seen, and this am, is, are is used only in the present tense. For present tense sentences we use this, and was, were used for past tense sentences, and was is for singular, were is for plural, as well as will be and shall be for future tense. And shall be is mostly used for I and we. I shall be there, we shall be there. Whereas in modern English we use will be for all, including I and we. We can use for I, we, you, he, she, it, they. For all these we can use will be for future sentences. Alright, dear friends, that's all for today. Today's lesson is basic English words. Today's day 2, and we'll see you in the day 3 with few more basic words. So comment and let me know if you are ready for day 3, as well as click on subscribe channel so that you will be getting this video series of videos, as well as you can click the join button so that you can get the live classes with me. You can ask the questions or doubts, clarify the doubts, as well as dear friends, don't forget to share this video with others, because while you share this, like you, many more people get to know these classes free of cost. Alright, so I'll see you in the day 3. That's all for today. This is Trinity D'Souza, an author and India's first authority building mentor, signing off. If you like this video, click on the like button and share it with others so that they also can learn English communication. Hit the subscribe button and subscribe the channel so that you will get everyday new tips on this